The A2Mend Conference is one of the highlights of my year working at College of the Sequoias. Participating in a conference where it's rich in culture, excellence, and a lot of thought-provoking, good conversation and dialogue between not only within our own students and fellow employees, but also networking with others.
I just think that it was great. They all had a great time. I think the Knowledge Bowl was awesome too as well. Get a chance to learn about Black history and inventors and the things that we have done to help America grow. And just knowing that this Black history is not just a month, it's American history.
For students to be able to witness excellence in many different forms, to be in a room with 1,000 different doctors and professors and successful people that may look like them, I think that's important.
Dr. Calvin is unbelievable. He understands the need here for African Americans and students of color here in the Central Valley. And that's what we're about here at COS, is just trying to make sure that all of our students have what they need to move on to a four-year university of their choice and to become successful and to dream big. And our students dream big here and they become very successful.